Hello dear students, let us solve some numerical problems from periodic motion. These numericals were asked in NEB board. First question is, one end of a light spring of force constant 18 Newton per meter is attached to a rigid support. A mass of 0.15 kg is suspended to the other end of the spring. A student pulls down it to extension of 4 cm and then releases it. The mass starts executing simple harmonic motion. Find maximum acceleration and time period of simple harmonic motion. Now, according to question, now solution. This is the spring of force constant 18 Newton per meter square. One end of the spring is suspended to a rigid support and lower end is connected to a mass 0.15 kg. When it is slightly displaced through 4 cm means 0.04 meter and then released, it will execute simple harmonic motion up and down. We have to find the time period of simple harmonic motion and maximum acceleration. Now, for a mass vibrating with the spring, time period is given by t is equal to 2 pi under root m upon k. Putting the corresponding values, we get t is equal to 2 pi under root 0.15 upon 18, which gives 0.57 second. Now, to find the maximum acceleration, we get F is equal to kx, and here x is equal to 0.04 meter. Therefore, A will be equal to kx upon m. Putting the values, we get A as 4.8 meter per second square. Next question number 2. The question is, a simple pendulum of effective length 4 meter swings with amplitude 0.2 meter. Find the velocity at the lowest point. Acceleration due to gravity is given to be 9.8 meter per second square. So, solution to question 2. For simple pendulum, time period is given by 2 pi under root L by G. So, it will be 2 pi under root 4 upon 9.8, which gives time period as 4.01 second. Therefore, V at lowest point will be V maximum, which is equal to R omega, which is equal to R omega, which is R into 2 pi by T, because omega is equal to 2 pi by T. Putting the values, we get R is 0.2 into 2 pi upon T is 4.01. So, on simplification, we get velocity as 0.31 meter per second. Third question. The question is, a bob of mass 8 kg performs simple harmonic motion of amplitude 30 cm. The restoring force is 60 Newton. Calculate time period and maximum acceleration and kinetic energy when displacement is 12 cm. Solution to question 3. Here, given for simple pendulum, For simple pendulum, effective length is, or for simple pendulum, mass of bob is 8 kg, amplitude is 30 cm means 0.3 meter, restoring force as magnitude 60 Newton. We have to find the time period, maximum acceleration and kinetic energy when displacement is 12 cm means 0.12 meter. Now restoring force as magnitude F, which is equal to ma max, which gives A max as omega square into R, which gives A max as F upon m. F is 60 and m is 8, so A max comes to be 7.5 meter per second square. Now A max is equal to omega square into R, therefore omega will be equal to under root A max upon R, which gives 7.5 upon 0.3, 5 radian per second, 5 radian per second. Again omega is equal to two pi by t, therefore t will be equal to 2 pi by omega, which is 2 into pi upon 7.5, which gives a time period as 1.257 second. Now when Ax is equal to 0.12 meter, then velocity will be equal to omega into r square minus x square. So omega and omega, r and x are known, so omega is 5 under root r is 0.3 its square minus 0.12 square. So we get velocity as 1.775 meter per second. Therefore kinetic energy will be equal to half mv square. M is 8 into v square, which gives 7.56 joules. Next question number 4. The question is, a particle of mass 0.25 kg oscillates with a period 2 seconds. With a period 2 seconds. If its greatest displacement is 0.4 meter, what is the maximum kinetic energy? Solution to question 4 here given. Time period 2 seconds, mass 0.25 kg, greatest displacement means r is equal to amplitude 0.4 meter. What is the maximum kinetic energy means we have to find maximum kinetic energy. Now K E will be equal to half mv square, and therefore Ke max will be equal to half mv max square, and we know V max is equal to R omega, so it will be 1 by 2 into R omega square, which is 1 by 2 m R square, and omega is equal to 2 pi by T. So putting the corresponding values, we get 1 by 2, m is 0.25, R is 0.4, and omega is 2 pi by T. T is 2, its square. So maximum kinetic energy comes to be 0.197 joule, which is nearly equal to 2 joules.